I ordered a pair of heads for my small block 350. These are made for Summit. People are saying that Dart makes them. I don't know if that's true or not. But they are Summit heads, 72cc combustion chamber. The part number is 152123. They seem to be very popular, according to all the reviews that I've seen, very well made. Some people are wondering if they take any damage during shipping. From what I can tell, the boxes seem to be okay. The only damage that I'm seeing is, this, but that's neither here nor there. The staples are still in one place, so I think everything's going to be fine. I'm going to open them and then we'll see, what it looks like inside. If they're packaged accordingly, or if there's any thing flying around in there. Now, let's see the straps. All right. They look pretty nice. I'm going to take them out, maybe move the camera. Let's see better, maybe not. We'll see. Seem very well taped off. All the machine surfaces are protected. It's very nice. Good studs, different box. I don't know who makes these heads, but whoever it is, they're doing a fantastic job. So I'm pretty sure it's one of the big manufacturers, because it looks, the whole workmanship is fantastic. I mean, everything seems to be very well made. They look like they would cost a lot more money than they are. All around, I'm pretty happy with this. I think they look really good. So if anybody else is considering buying some, I hope this video helps. You can see what they look like before committing. So if you think you would like them on your engine, I would say go for it, and good luck with your build.